what are the six snacks that you can have which are rich in protein and rich in fiber together. Okay, so make sure you take notes and let me know where you guys tuning from. Let me know who is watching. All right, you're ready? The first combination, but before I get into it, I do have to let you guys know that it is a combination. Okay, so it is snack. It's not just one item, but it's two items. You combine them together. They go really well, flavor-wise and nutrition-wise, and what else? Convenience-wise, right? So the first combination is cheese and popcorn. Woohoo! Okay, give me a woohoo in the comments if you're excited about this combo. Yes, you can have popcorn as long as, okay, how do we define what is healthy popcorn? As long as it's like not heavy flavored, a bit of butter is okay. Yeah, so like, plain popcorn is probably the best, but popcorn with some flavoring is okay, but not too heavy. So popcorn with cheese, yeah, so I'll say, popcorn with cheese is a good combination. Don't overdose it because it's protein. I mean, it's meant to be a protein fiber snack, right? So it's snack. So have it, I would say like a cup, like a handful of cheese and popcorn together is a good combination, right? So we got Ayo here. Hello, hello. I haven't seen you for a while. Yes, so I know everybody's like excited about popcorn, right? So make sure it's unflavored. If you can't get that, would be great. You can get those like popcorn that you can microwave, right? Yourself, and choose the ones that are, you can compare the butter one or the non-butter one, right? So, but obviously I will tell everybody don't overdose on popcorn all the time, just because it's relatively healthier than like eating chips, potato chips or crisps. But it is still, a form of snack that should be best consumed in moderation. Okay, so that's number one. And combo number two is have an orange or have a mandarin with pumpkin seeds. Okay, so pumpkin seeds are very high in protein, and the mandarin is very high in vitamin C and fiber. So these two become a really good combo to have together, right? And it's very easy for you to pack with you. Now, combo number three, this is actually one of my favorite. It's Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries. Okay, any kind of berries. It could be raspberries or blueberries or strawberries, you name it, blackberries. So I have, a handful of berries together with a small cup of yogurt, unflavored, non-sweetened yogurt, like Greek yogurt. That is the best one. You don't need to go for low fat. You don't need to go for like the skim type. I actually suggest everybody to go for full fat. Why? Because that is, well, given that if you're not like, lactose intolerant, right, you can do full fat Greek yogurt. Why? Because you get the most of the protein. Okay, you get the highest amount of protein from the full fat, and also remember this, fat does not make you fat. Eating fat doesn't make you fat. Okay, so we've been fooled by the food industry for too long that they've taken out the fat, but you know what they do? They've taken out the fat from the milk and the dairy products, but they replace that with a lot of sugar. So a lot of times what makes us overweight and what makes us like, sick is actually the large amount of sugar we've been consuming from the food. So this is something I want everybody to pay attention to. A lot of times the fat-free, the skim type of like dairy products are loaded with sugar. Okay, so stay away. I'll say try to stay away from the flavored, the fruity flavored, the sweetened type of dairy products. Go for the least amount of sugar if possible. Go for the sugar-free type of yogurt if you can, but full fat. Okay, so this is something I have to point out, because you want to, at the end of the day, when you eat yogurt, you want to get the best out of, like the best nutrients out of yogurt, right? Instead of just eating it for the sugar. Right, so this is something I have to emphasize. So this is the combination, Greek yogurt with berries. Okay, the next combination, oh, I love this one, hard-boiled egg with some carrot sticks. Okay, so the carrots give you the carotene, which is amazing nutrient for your body. Okay, and the carrots give your body a lot of amazing fiber. Yet the hard-boiled eggs give your body good amount of protein. So it is a good snack to have, and it's very easy to pack. Next one, okay, this one I love. It makes such a great dessert. Pear and cottage cheese. Yeah, cottage cheese is the protein. and pear is your source of vitamins and fiber. So I have these two combined together is a great source of fiber and protein, and it's a great snack to have. Okay, now the last one. Okay, of course I'm gonna mention our Herbalife protein bar, right, which is full of fiber and full of protein and very low in calories and sugar, but also it is very easy to carry with you and satisfies the hunger. I have to mention it, but I do have to also mention that if you guys enjoy eating beans and nuts, this is one of the best options. It's full of protein and full of fiber. Okay, this one is called edamame. Okay, edamame is a type of you can say it's a type of soybean, and it's a type of bean. It's like about the similar size as your black beans, but it's green. So those of you who are familiar with edamame, you will find them in a lot of the Japanese restaurants. They serve them in the shell or outside of the shell, or a lot of you can actually find them in your supermarket. They're usually in the frozen section. Okay, but it is actually very healthy. You just gotta buy them, bring them home, and just heat them up. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so these are the 6-7 different types of snacks that you can have, which are high in protein and high in fiber. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something here today and you've taken some notes. And if you guys want me to share more of some healthy meal plans or healthy meal ideas or recipes, do let me know. Okay, write them in the comment below. And if you guys have any specific questions,